You don't need to be a great artist to create storyboards. In fact, the simpler your drawings, the faster you can work. Today, I'll show you how to draw settings that are clear, quick, and perfect for storyboarding. A setting is where your story happens. It could be a forest, a classroom, a spaceship, or a bedroom. Your job isn't to draw every detail. It's to show enough so people understand the place. Every simple setting needs just 3 things. The horizon line. This is where the ground meets the sky. Draw a horizontal line across your page. That's it. This instantly creates space. The ground. Is it grass, sand, floor tiles? You don't need to draw every blade of grass. Just add a few simple marks or texture. Dots for sand, short lines for grass, straight lines for wooden floors. 1 or 2 key objects. What makes this place recognizable? A tree for a forest, a desk for a classroom, a rocket for a space station. Pick one main thing and draw it simply. That's it. 3 elements. Horizon line, ground texture, and 1 key object. Let me show you 3 quick examples. A beach. Draw a horizon line. Add wavy lines below for water. Draw 1 palm tree with a simple trunk and a few curved lines for leaves. Done! Everyone knows this is a beach. A classroom. Draw a horizon line. This becomes the wall. Add a rectangle for a desk. Draw a simple chalkboard on the wall. And you're done. This is clearly a classroom. A forest. Draw a horizon line. Add short vertical lines for grass. Draw 2 or 3 simple tree trunks with round or triangular shapes for leaves. Done! It's a forest. Don't fall into these traps. You're not creating a masterpiece. You're planning a story. Basic shapes work fine. Don't stress about perfect angles. If there are 20 trees in the forest, draw 2 or 3. We'll get the idea. Right, now it's your turn. Practice drawing these 3 settings as simply and as fast as possible. A park, a kitchen, and a city street. Remember, horizon line, ground texture, and 1 key object. Time yourself. Can you draw each one in under 30 seconds? Simple settings are smart settings. They save time and keep your focus on the story. Grab your paper and pencils. What story will you storyboard today?